Hello, beautiful. Welcome to day 6 of our meditation journey. Today, we hold space for what hurts, for what lingers, and for what's finally ready to be released. You are safe here. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to let go. Let's begin by finding a quiet space. Sit or lie down in a way that feels supportive. Close your eyes and place your hands gently on your heart or belly. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel it fill your body with life. Exhale gently. Let the tension melt just a little. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel it fill your body with life. Exhale gently. Let the tension melt just a little. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel it fill your body with life. Exhale gently. Now bring to mind a feeling, a memory, maybe a sadness you've carried, a disappointment, a wound you've never fully voiced. Don't resist it. Just notice. Let it float to the surface as if you're watching it from a safe distance. Now, imagine a soft golden light entering the top of your head, flowing gently down, past your shoulders, into your chest, into your heart. This light is warm, it's healing, and it asks nothing of you. Let it surround the pain, not to erase it, but to soften its edges, to make room for peace. With each inhale, breathe in this healing light. With each exhale, release the hurt, as if it were dark smoke leaving your body. Inhale, I am safe. Exhale, I release what no longer serves me. Inhale, I am healing. Exhale, I forgive myself and others. Inhale, I am safe. Exhale, I release what no longer serves me. Inhale, I am healing. Exhale, I forgive myself and others. Inhale, I am safe. Exhale, I release what no longer serves me. Inhale, I am healing. Exhale, I forgive myself, and others. Now, visualize a box or a basket before you. Gently, one by one, place your burdens inside. The shame, the anger, the grief. No need to name it all. Your heart knows. And when you're ready, imagine this box being carried away by the wind, by the tide, by light itself. It's not yours to carry anymore. Now, imagine your heart, cracked, yes, but glowing. Soft golden light shines through the fractures, and you realize you are not broken. You are becoming whole. Let's speak these final affirmations together. Say them softly or hold them in your mind. I honor my pain. I do not push it away. I release the past with compassion. My heart is open to healing. I am whole. I am free. I am at peace. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers. Feel the ground beneath you, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Let today be the day you begin again. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of healing. You already carry the light.